beautiful, amazing people, and welcome back. It's me, Tori Jade, and I have missed you guys so much. It has been definitely way too long. I apologize for my absence, but I am back now, and the video should be flowing about to a week. My Makeup Mondays, which today is, yay! And my Fabulous Fridays, which I'm super excited about. So this is kind of the look that I did today. I apologize for the lighting right now. I know it's not that good, so you can't really see. But it's kind of like a red and gold cut crease and all the shiny. And yeah, here we go. Okay guys, so to start out, I'm going to start just by kind of spraying on this toner that I have from Bath & Body Works and then applying a face lotion and just smoothing that onto my skin. And I also, for my lips, apply a Vaseline. This is my holy grail #1 product because I truly believe that this really moisturizes my lips. Next is my primer, and this is my Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer, and I love this, and it's slightly tinted, so it is super awesome and hydrating, and it smells like lavender, which you gotta love. Okay guys, so our very next step is going to be our foundation, and this is just my Tarte Shape Tape foundation, which I love, and I just use my little sponge to blend it all out because I love blending. It just makes it all better. And then I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer just under my eyes and over any little spots I have wherever I kind of want it, and blending it all out again because you gotta blend if you want to bend. That didn't make any sense. Anyway, next thing we're gonna do is go in with the NYX highlighting and contouring stick and just contour along my cheekbones, nose, around my forehead, and basically any other spots that I feel like contouring, and then go in with the highlight side on the tips of my cupid bow and cheekbones, nose, and then blend it all in using this big kabuki brush that I have. And then I'm just going to take my other side of the sponge to blend out my highlight, and I do this on my face just to kind of have all the creams blend together. Then I'm gonna brush out my eyebrows and use my Benefit brow pencil to give my brows kind of a fuller shape and help them all blend together and hopefully turn out looking slightly normal. When you have the full face of makeup on, sometimes your eyebrows can get lost, so that's why I like to fill in my brows. And then once I have them all filled in, I'm just going to brush them out to make sure the product is all distributed. And then I'm going to take my lovely Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and take one of the most used shades and spread that around to kind of mattify everything and set my face. And then, so yeah, just continue to do that all around your face. Then you're going to take the middle shade to kind of carve out an area of your cheekbone. That way you kind of know how to get a symmetrical look on your face, so that when you go in with a darker color to contour, as to bronze, as I just did with that darker bronzer look, you can do that. And then you're going to take a light powder and just brush everything off. Now what we're going to do is take a Bronze Goddess bronzer, which is a light shimmery color, and just bronze everything up to kind of bring a glow to the face. And then we're going to take my Mary Kay blush and just add that to the apples of our cheeks, which you can get just by smiling. Then I take my rainbow highlighter, and fair warning, I love my highlight, so you gotta get that highlight. And so I just highlight. Next thing's next, I take my Too Faced Chocolate Bar and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, and I do my eyes. So I take this kind of creamy shade all over my lids to kind of set them, and then I take a fluffy brush and take this shade. It's called Peanut Butter, and I think that describes it perfectly. And I just take that right into my crease in a windshield wiper motion and really work it in. Now you're going to take a deep red color right into your outer V and really pack that in, and then smooth it out with a fluffy brush. And next what I did is that I took a little makeup applicator with the color Adorn, which is like this super pigmented shimmery brown, and I found that with my glitters, if I use a makeup applicator, it helps them stay much more pigmented. And then I used this and took a kind of liner brush and applied it to the bottom of my lashes. And then I again took that dark red and applied it to the bottom of my lashes. And then I used a dark eyeliner pencil and used it to wing out my eyes. Then I tightlined my waterline, which is just kind of that white space under your eyes. And what I'm going to do next is use a shimmery color to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, because that kind of brings a little bit of a flare to the eye. What I like to do also is to use that same color to add to my own highlight, because I feel like it really ties in the eye look and to my own makeup look, and it just kind of brings it all together. And like I said before, I love my highlight. Next thing I'm gonna do is mascara. So I use first my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara to really lengthen my lashes. And then next thing I'm gonna use is my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, just to really fluff it out. And I'm just going to keep on layering out my mascaras. Now I'm going to use my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Sellout, which I love this color. It's the perfect kind of neutral lipstick color. And next I'm going to use my Kitty Cat Lip Gloss in Cantaloupe, which I think is so cute, and it really adds the perfect amount of shine to just top this look off and tie it all together. Okay, I hope that you guys liked my very first hashtag Makeup Monday. Yeah, if you guys have any more requests for my Makeup Monday, if you want like more of a subtle natural just look, if you want a matte face look, if you want, I don't know, just a 5-minute makeup routine, if you want a crazy purple lip or a crazy, I don't know, anything, just leave me some requests down below, and I will see you guys on Fabulous Friday. So excited. I love you guys to the stars and back, and